now this is question 8. So if fx is got a quadratic function and k is a constant, that means a number, okay? So which of the following must be true? So if we say that they must be true, that means no matter what is k, we still got the true, right? No matter what is k, because they didn't tell me what is k, right? They just tell me that k is a number, but we have no idea for the k, right? So that means once again for question 8, we can plug in some number. We can do the substitution. So if I want to plug in some number, then I would like to do in the simple way. So I would like to put k is 1. Okay, so if k is 1, then what happened? Let's check A, B, C, D first. Okay, so for A, we have fk. So k is 1, that means f1 actually, right? So what is f1? So let's do the calculation part here. If f1, that means change all the x, be 1. So we will have 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So maybe I'll write it for you, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Then we still got 1. Okay, so how about another one, f negative k? So k is 1 now, that means f negative 1. So once again, what is mean by f negative 1? That means change the x into negative 1. So remember to put a bracket and then square. Negative 1 square minus bracket negative 1 plus 1. And using the calculator once again, I've got the number which is 3. So do you think that 1 is equal to 3? Of course not. So that's why A is wrong. Okay, and after that, we'll check BCD one by one. So for BCD, again, what is mean by FK? K is 1, that means F1. F1, I've done already. F1 is 1, right? So how about the next one? The next one is F1 minus K. So K now is 1. So 1 minus 1, that means 0, right? I want to find out what is F0. So F0, that means when X is 0. Then we got 0 square minus 0. That means 0 and 0 plus 1. So that means 1. Oh, seems that B is correct. Okay. So because we need to have must be true, maybe just coincidence, right? So I would like to check C and D as well. So how about C and D? So for the left hand side again, F1 plus 1, that means I will have F2 for left hand side. So according to the calculator, I got F2 is 3. How about the right hand side? We'll have Fk plus F1. That means F1 plus F1, right? F1 plus F1. And what is mean by F1? We got is 1 already. So that means 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 is not equal to 2. So C is not correct. And then how about D? D, on the left hand side, we got Fk minus 1. So K minus 1, that means 1 minus 1, that we got 0. F0, I've calculated already. F0 is 1. We did it in B already. And how about the right hand side? F1 minus F1. So no need to calculate, right? Because the same things we do minus, of course, is 0, right? So 1 is not equal to 0. So D is wrong as well. So of course, we have only one possible, which is B. So that's why the answer is B for question 8.